guys! Today is Saturday. I don't know what we have going on today. Rena got a toy makeup kit last night. But we just got to Mafi's scrimmage, so hopefully get some good highlights. So let's go ahead and do that and see what Saturday holds for us. We have the girls. They're on field 2. Lai, what did you get last night?
This monkey and this tiger, but I already had him.
Yeah, she already had this one. And last night she got this one and then this one.
I got these two yesterday from the Walmart, and even my sister got that yesterday at the Walmart.
Hi, baby.
Cheese.
Auntie, we're there. Bye.
Smile for Auntie.
So handsome, baby.
I want to see
Makeup, your cousin's makeup, boy?
Yeah, but my little sister won't let me do it because it's mine.
Good. Because he threw a table in the Good job, boys. Good job, son. It's so good.
I want that one.
You want strawberry?
I want to get blue. I want red actually.
We have Ritas. If you guys saw the vlog last time, Ritas was so good when we went to the festival.
Can I get
You
red?
want strawberry?
I want blue.
Okay, you can get blue. Serena got cotton candy. Me and Salai got strawberry. And then hubby got mango pineapple. They are so good. 10 out of 10. So we just got done with the scrimmage. They did really good. I'm so proud of Mafi. Son, if you're watching this, I'm so proud of you. They ended up winning. So this is our first year with this team because we are usually with Jaguars. So today was really fun watching him with this team today. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing right now. So we are just going with the flow to see what today has.
Can I tell them something?
Go.
And my cousin Sandra's coming with us. Sandra, say hi. Hi. That's my cousin.
Hey guys, we just got to the buffet. I'm with my in-laws. We just went and got my nephew. He just flew in today from American Samoa. My hubby hasn't seen him since he was like 3 years old. So we're gonna have lunch with him. This is my hubby's brother's kid. So I've never met him since he does live in American Samoa. So he just flew in this morning. So let's grab some lunch. Family's over there. Baby, is it yummy?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Cheese.
Remember, with your cousin when we talked to Uncle in Istanbul? Remember when I talked to Uncle in Istanbul?
What did you get?
Istanbul, it just came from Istanbul.
My mango chocolate.
Yay!
I found it.
Good job.
Yeah, over there.
We just got done eating lunch. It was so good. Feeling really satisfied right now. Our nephew needs a couple things. He wants some Crocs, so we just got to the mall. This is his first time in America, so everything is new for him. Where are we?
Mommy did it.
I get these. Dad. Mommy, I already have this, right?
Yeah, you already have that one.
Mommy, oh, so cute. The little ones. Those ones. Hammer strike. What's this?
What is that one?
It's a hammer strike. Yummy, yummy. Why is this penguin?
What is this one, Kama?
This is penguin.
Okay.
Water. C4.
These are cute.
Auntie, you put.
That's all he wants.
Oh, I thought we were supposed to
Let me see where I see.
Yeah, you can, baby. Do it. Touch it. She's booking it. What do you do? Oh. I know, and you made it.
With my shoes.
Good job. Hey guys, update. Where are we?
At Burlington.
What are we doing at Burlington?
Getting my cousin some clothes because he needs some clothes, but me and my sister can't get nothing because I do feel bad for him. I think he doesn't have that many clothes in Samoa, so yeah.
And I'm getting candy.
After the mall, we went to the house to clean up the girls because their clothes were all wet. So now we're at Burlington. Salai and Rena updated you, so that's the update right now. Do an outfit check. Okay, tell me.
This is from the Sponge Pack.
No, so shirt is from Five Below.
Shirt is from Five Below.
Shorts are from Shein.
Shorts are from Shane.
And shoes and socks are from Burlington.
Yes, mommy, princess goggles.
Oh, those are cute.
But I'm not getting it.
What you find?
This, I think it's like a birthday hat, but it's like a Mickey Mouse one.
Hey girl.
Ofana hieseo.
Okay, baby.
Can I
Okay,
try
but-
it?
Ava wait feel it for all. Hey girl. Ofana hieseo.
Oh, good job, big sister.
This. Oh no. This. There you go. You put this on.
Oh, that's a good enough. Careful.
A Mickey Mouse. Mommy, because you found Mickey Mouse and you said hi, looking at the exercise.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Mickey Mouse, is that you?
Oh my
Hi.
Hi, Mickey Mouse.
Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, you got off my head.
Wait, could you take a picture of us?
Yes. So cute. Bye, Mickey Mouse.
Bye.
Have Snow's shopping, and we're checking out right now.
Ang ngawur. Ay, mga ikaw eh.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Where are we, Rena?
At my grandma's house.
And your papa's?
And look at my shoes, guys.
We are at my father-in-law's house so he can see snow. Hey guys, we were at my father-in-law's for a little bit, visited and left. Now we're meeting up with the family, going to watch fireworks here, and then that will be the end of our night. Meeting up with the family, we're gonna go to the food truck to get something to eat. Hi baby! Of course we gotta get something to eat. I want a corn dog. These are like our favorite. Will you get me one too, long?
I got 330.
And the music, I like it.
Thanks for that, guys.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you.
What are you eating, Rena?
Kinda.
Is it yummy? The fireworks just got done. They were really good.
Yes.
And I believe we will be calling it a night here. Everyone is so tired.
And I just got my corn dog.
Are you ready to go home and go sleep?
Yep, and it's a long day, but we got our cousin.
Yeah, you met your cousin today?
Yep, we need them to watch the fireworks.
Today was a good day.
Roses popped, we all fall down.
Well, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you
Goodbye.
liked it, don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
bye.